योगानुशासनम् योगश्चित्तवृत्तिनिरोधः.
The Prime Minister of India says practicing yoga can be a multidimensional solution to the challenges brought about by the coronavirus pandemic. In a video message in commemoration of the 2020 International Day of Yoga, themed Yoga at Home, he explains how it works.
The world is fighting a pandemic of monumental scale, but yoga provides multi-dimensional solutions to the multiple challenges COVID-19 has brought. Yoga gives you the opportunity to know your immune system better and put in the extra efforts where needed. Yoga has the potential to cater to mental, physical and psychological challenges. It puts to test how one can live in challenging times. Friends, yoga offers something for everyone. It enables strong mind and healthy body. In the post-COVID era, the focus on preventive healthcare will get stronger, and that is why I am confident that yoga will become even more popular. The COVID-19 pandemic may have reduced our mobility, but it should not affect our enthusiasm towards yoga. Respecting the present situation, let us mark the 6th International Day of Yoga from our homes with our family, and let us follow all norms of social distancing.
Indian High Commissioner to Nigeria also reiterated the benefits of yoga to international health.
Celebrating yoga, the Yoga Day, and actually practicing and doing yoga is even more relevant in these very challenging and difficult times of the pandemic of COVID-19. As the ambassador, I would like to share that more than anything else, sometimes we tend to probably look at yoga or cultural activities through a prism of sometimes of a country or of a particular concept. I would say yoga is truly universal in today's times. It basically means union. If it is translated from Sanskrit, yog, it's actually pronounced yog, and it means union with the self, union with the Almighty, union with all your fellow compatriots, and really the most important message is, let us look within. Because analyzing every movement of your body, it's like being your own doctor. Sometimes those who are in the medical profession, they would understand how a muscle functions, how a brain functions, how organs of the body function, how lungs function, how do you breathe. But it's important that each of us also tries to appreciate this in a holistic manner. And this is what yoga teaches us, and it's even more relevant in today's time, because if I know how exactly my lungs function, how exactly my body operates, how can I relax press the right buttons, if I may say so, so that my entire well-being improves. And I think this really universal message is even more relevant in today's times. It will serve us well at a time when we are short of health facilities all across the world, from the most developed countries in Europe and the Americas to developing countries like Nigeria and India.
Mr. Basit Ram, a yoga therapist, in a lecture urged that the health benefits should be taken seriously.
From this pandemic, everybody locked down in the house. Okay, if you are doing kind of exercise, you are depending on supportive elements, like you are going to gym, you are going even cycling, or anything you are doing with equipment, isn't it? Then which can boost your energy, right? But yoga, only you and yourself, you can do anywhere, So you don't need to depend on anything. How yoga can help. You're not going to invest any single kobo on it.